Good morning, students. Joyadash here. Today, our exercise is 4.3. The question was solve the following equations. Here, they have not mentioned that mention the steps, so we no need to mention the step here. Only solving. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. This is the question. So 5 by 2 you need to remove. It was plus 5 by 2. You will write minus 5 by 2. Same thing here, 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Now plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 out. 2y is equal to 2 37 minus 5 LCM. 2y is equal to 37 minus 2 32 by 2, cancel it, you will get 2 1 ja 2, 2 16 ja 32. Now 2y is equal to 16. To remove 2 we need to divide by 2. So 2 by 2 16 by 2. 2 and 2 cancelled out, y 2 8 ja 16 8. This is our answer. Next question is, here we will do more directly. Try to understand, students. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. Now what we have done before, if it is plus 28, so we need minus 28 here, and here also minus 28. This 28 and plus 28 minus 28 ultimately will cancel. So I am not writing this one left side here. I am directly this plus 28 is here minus 28. Now 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. Try to understand this one. Directly 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. I have written 5t here, and plus 28 I have given minus 28 here. Now 5t is equal to 10 minus 28 minus 10 minus 28 minus 18. Then t is equal to, directly I am not dividing here 5 and here 5. 5t by 5 minus 18 by 5. I have not shown that steps. Directly I have done t is equal to minus 18 by 5. Is this sum clear to all of you? If it is clear, then go to the next one. Here a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Now students, tell me, plus 3, if we shift here, transposing here, if we shift this one, whatever the sign is, we will change the sign only. A by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. Whatever the sign here, it was plus. When I will transposing it in the right side, it will become minus 3. Okay. Then a by 5 is equal to, subtracting it and larger number sign, minus 1. So minus 1 will come. Now here 5 is here. Directly I am multiplying here, as because it is dividing here, so it will be multiplied on the right side. A is equal to minus 1 into 5. Remember the steps. If we want to remove this 5, you have to multiply here by 5 and here also 5. That steps we are doing in this way only. It is slightly direct way. So a is equal to minus 5. Understood, students? Next, come to the next sum. Question number E. 5 by 2x is equal to 10. So I will remove first 2. It was dividing condition here. If it is go in the right side, division portion will go in the right side as a multiplication, multiplicative with a multiplication sign. So 5x is equal to 10 into 2. 5x is equal to 20. Now see, we want to remove 5 from here. So what is, we will left here x, and 5 was multiplied here, so need to divide both sides. X is equal to 20 by 5. What is the result? If you cancel, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. X is equal to 4. Answer is 4. Next one is 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Same here, 5x and 2 will go here with the multiplication sign. 25 by 4 into 2. Next, x and 5 will, where the 5 will go, it was here multiplication condition, so it will go down. 25 into 2 divided by 4 into 5, then 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 are 25, cancelled out. 4 2 1 ja 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is left here? 5. In the numerator it is 5 and denominator it is 2. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Is it clear, students? If it is, you will watch the video 2 or 3 times, I think it will be clear for all of you. Come to the next sum. In the next sum, question is, number is G. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Then 7m plus 19 by 2, what we will do? We will take it transposing in the right side with a different opposite sign, as because it is plus, so it will go with a minus sign. 13 minus 19 by 2, 7m is equal to, now do the LCM. 2 is the LCM, here it is 1. You remember that in the integer chapter we have done so many sums on this method. 2 1 LCM is 2, 13 2s are 13 into 2 you have written in this way, and 19, 13 to just 26 minus 19 by 2. Then 7m, every time we will write 7m here. 7m is equal to 7 by 2. Now m is equal to 7 by 2, and this 7 will go down, division, it was multiplication here. To remove, we need to divide both the side. We are not writing that steps, but directly we are doing that in only 7 by 2 into 2. 7 7 cancelled, only 2 is left. So what is in the numerator? It is not only 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. So 1, 2 1 ja 2. Understood? Now, question number I. 3l by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 division condition here, so it will go on the right side with the multiplication sign. 3l is equal to 2 into 2 by 3. Next, 2 2s are 4 by 3. 3l is equal to 4 by 3. This 3 is the multiplication condition. So we need to remove remove this 3. We need to divide by 3 into 3. 3 will go, that means go down. Then L is equal to 4 by, this 4 by 3 was there already. This 3 will go down. So 4 by 9 is the answer. 4 by 9 is our answer. Next, this is our assignments for today. I want to see that students you will follow the steps whatever we are explaining here. No need to write the step 1, step 2 here, as because it is direct question. Solve the following equation. Direct question, you will give the direct answer. A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. Question number 1. 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Second question, you have to solve it. 3. 2b by 3. 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. This is our third question. I hope all of you understand and watch the video. Thank you, students.